Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I didn't say girlfriends because we're doing a skincare video today. I am not a skincare guru. I don't do skincare. This is my first attempt at a skincare routine, period. So I was doing some research on skincare, and then boom, Rihanna came out with 3 products, and it was like step 1, 2, 3, boom, done. I was like, that's right up my aisle. I don't have the cleanser with me, but after this I do think I'm gonna buy the cleanser. I don't know, I was trying to save some coin, but without further ado, we're gonna try the new Fenty Skin. But let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so this is my skin directly. Like, I literally just washed my face, and I washed my face with the Cetaphil. I do not have the cleanser from the trio. I just figured I already have a cleanser that works for me. Maybe like after I finish this cleanser, I can try the, I don't even remember what it's called. The Total Cleanser, I think it's called. I can try it down the line when I'm finished with mine. But girl, I want to save that coin, so I just use what I already had, and I use the Cetaphil. Just a regular, I'll insert a picture, the regular Cetaphil. Wash my face, and here it is. I think my skin is on the drier side. I do have, like, it gets like dark around here, and I have a little hyperpigmentation, but I don't have a skincare routine. I've never, knock on wood, I've never had any problems with acne or anything of that sort, thank God, knocking on wood. But yeah, so I just kind of want to get into skincare, and I've been like doing my research. I've been doing my research for a couple weeks now, and then Rihanna came out with this 3-step basic, and I was like, oh yes, this is what I can do. Boom, 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 everything I kind of wanted in a skincare routine, and she gave it to us, and we're gonna see how it works. Enough talking. This is a first impressions, at least for the fat water. I did want to mention, side note, that I am deep conditioning my hair. Leave me alone. And the shipping, quick. I've been having a hella trouble with shipping from anywhere, especially with all this craziness going on, but Fenty came fast, and I could appreciate that. It does come sealed, which I can really appreciate. I love anything sealed, so I'm gonna peel this off. But as I'm peeling this off, I did want to mention that the toner is alcohol free. It's a 2-in-1. It's like a serum and toner. I believe all the products in the line are a 2-in-1. They don't just do one thing, which is a 2-in-1. Wow. But the toner is to even your skin tone, brighten you up a little bit, and help to reduce any dark spots that you may have. So really, even for the next product I'm about to show you, it's just a twist, and I know that the consistency is a little thicker from what I've heard. I haven't really watched any videos, but you don't have to use a cotton pad, which I do appreciate. Saving the earth one step at a time. So I'm just literally going to, I think that's good. So this is what it looks like. It's clear. I don't smell anything. It feels like it's a light scent now that it's on my face. It feels really soothing. And I have not used this primer before. I don't remember if I said it or not, but not primer, girl, toner. It feels really good, and a little went a long way. I don't know if I'm smelling my deep conditioner that's on my hands or if I'm smelling the product. It feels really good going on. I'm gonna wait a second because I think that's what you're supposed to do. I'm gonna make sure I close this. I really don't smell anything for the fat water. I don't smell anything. I really like the texture. I am gonna give you guys an update maybe about a month to see if like anything happens with my skin tone or whatever. But it feels really, really good. So I'm gonna go on to the next. Product while we wait. This is the Hydrovisor. It's a moisturizer and a sunscreen. Like I said, all the products are 2-in-1. It literally, I don't know if you can see this piece. If you snap it up, That's how the product opens up, snap it back down, and that's how it closes. You can take this piece out and just repurchase this. You can literally, like, so after this, I wouldn't have to repurchase this again. I'd just be repurchasing the refill, because you are paying for packaging. Don't forget that, sus. But also another way to save the earth, another step at a time. I really like that, Rihanna. That was a really neat touch. One thing I did, like, I didn't have a skincare routine before this, but I would really just wash my face and put on sunscreen, and that was it. And a lot of the sunscreens that I did use left that white cast on my skin, and I looked like that, I don't know, oh my gosh, you know that Michael Jackson movie? And he looks absolutely terrible. It's not him, like the person playing him, they put like paint or something on his face, or look like that. I'm gonna insert a picture if I can find it. That's what I looked like, but not with this. It definitely just blends into my skin, girl. It has a little pink, I'm gonna show you guys. There's like a pink tint to it. So you can see it has a little pink tint to it. It's pretty soft and lightweight. I can use this. I don't really do foundation and stuff, but the makeup I do use, I can just put this right under it. It works flawlessly with or without makeup. And I'm the type, when I'm out in the sun, which I have been lately because I have used this. I've really been out in the sun lately, and I'm the type, my cheeks will get red. I will get burnt, sweetie. I'm brown, but I will get burnt. And I didn't have that problem at all with this. It is definitely way more fragranted than the Fat Water. Well, I don't mind it at all. It feels really good. It's really lightweight. I really like this product. Personally, I know a lot of people don't like it because it's fragranted. But my skin hasn't been as sensitive. It's really just been chilling. So, yeah. But yeah, it's breathable. You can put makeup on top of this and it leaves no cast, which I love. So overall, as of right now, my skin feels really good. I don't feel like something's on my face. Pretty like lightweight, but I do feel like I did something. So we're gonna see within a month. I'm gonna give you guys an update, but I'm going to finish my face, really means put some eyebrows on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. My hair's done, obviously. I'm gonna put a little eyebrows on. You can't even see them. I'm not putting on any mascara or lashes right now because I'm getting my lashes done, and I still have 2 lashes, so don't rank on me, but they're in progress. But I do want to say that the Fat Water is $28. It has like a light caramel smell. I know I couldn't figure it out, but that's what it smells like to me. It's very light. I could barely tell it's there. And then the Hydra Visor is $35, and then when you just purchase the refill by itself, it's $30. So yeah, it is a pretty penny. Is it worth it? I think so. This is my skin. I did forget to mention that my skin's like normal to dry, I think it's called. It's not oily. I don't really know my skin type, if you couldn't tell, but I think it's normal to dry. It's definitely not oily. I do think sometimes my skin can be on the drier side. I have like, my family calls them liver spots. I don't know if that's like a thing or not, but I have like little white spots, and then my cheeks get like really red. I don't know if you guys can see my face. Can you see them? So if you have anything similar to me, because I've never had a skincare routine, never had none of that. Yeah, my bangs are in my face. They're getting long. I'm sorry, but yeah, I've never had a skincare routine. I usually just wash my face, call it a day. So this is me trying something out, and so far I'm liking it. So far it's so good. Haven't had any breakouts or anything like that. Definitely do your own research, try it out, see if you like it. Let me know. Do you guys have a skincare routine? Let me know. I'm trying to get into it. I'm trying to get into skincare, so let your girl know. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys staying safe out there. Keep deep conditioning, and I'll see you guys next time. Toodles.